Hey, it's Dan the Mortgage Man. If you've been turned down for a mortgage because of student loans, stick around. I may have some good news for you. All right, so check it out. Here's the big news. Recently, Fannie Mae made some huge changes in how they qualify clients for a mortgage when they have student loan debt. So if you're a client that has recently or even in the last couple of years been turned down for a mortgage because of the amount of student loan debt that you have and how the lender has calculated those payments when they qualify you, I wanted to make you aware of this change because it could be a deal that can now get done because of these recent changes that Fannie Mae made. One of the changes in particular that's really a huge change is if you have student loan debt that you can prove is being paid for by a parent as opposed to by you. Even if the loan is just in your name and it's not in mom and dad's name, if you can prove that mom and dad have been making the payments on that student loan for the last 12 months, that student loan doesn't have to be counted against you when we qualify for your mortgage. And that could even be true with other debts that are not in your name that are maybe being paid for by somebody else. If you can prove that those debts are being paid for by that other person, those debts may not have to be counted against you when you qualify for a mortgage. Now, one other area where a lot of times lenders struggle is in regards to an income-based repayment program with student loans. A lot of times those income-based repayment programs have a really low monthly payment, and there are a lot of lenders that will not accept that low monthly payment when they qualify for a mortgage. As long as that low monthly payment is being reported as part of your credit report, you can now qualify using that lower monthly payment. So at the end of the day, that may mean that you can qualify for a mortgage where maybe before you weren't able to. Now, those are just a couple of some really big changes that Fannie Mae just made recently. So if you've been turned down recently in the course of the last probably couple of years for a mortgage because of debt to income ratio or something like that, especially in regards to student loans, I really want to encourage you to connect with me because you could find that you may be eligible to make that home purchase happen now where even 2-3 months ago you may not have been able to do that. So hit me up. Again, my name is Dan the Mortgage Man, Dan Morales. My NMLS number is 709-729. You can reach me at 616-931-4629, or you can hit me on my website at danmorales.com. That's DANMORALEZ.com.